This demonstration is an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair of right shoulder joint. We enter the subacromial space to examine the rotator cuff detachment and assess tear reducibility. We use the suture passer to pass a braided, non-absorbable white-color hi-fi suture through the rotator cuff tendon. The position should align with the future medial row anchor sutures to prevent twisting. Prior to placement of the medial row anchors, we pulled out the white prepassed hi-fi suture from the anterior working portal. Then the two medial row anchors are then carefully placed. To simplify suture management and improve intraoperative recognition, we retain only one blue number 2 hi-fi suture from each medial row anchor. The previously prepassed white-color hi-fi sutures are used to shuttle one blue number 2 hi-fi suture from each medial row anchor.
As seen in the video, prepassing the hi-fi suture in this manner significantly reduced surgical time and eliminated unnecessary procedure steps. This approach prevents excessive sutures from complicating the procedure and causing entanglement. Moreover, prepassing the suture helps avoid a potential technical error, the medial row anchor suture being damaged directly by the suture passer.
Both hi-fi sutures are retrieved through the lateral portal and preloaded through the lateral row nullis anchor eyelet. The bone socket is prepared using a punch to ensure proper anchor placement. The nullis anchor tip is positioned at the bone socket edge, maintaining some slip in the hi-fi sutures for smooth anchor insertion. The nullis anchor is inserted until its laser mark contacts the bone. Suture tension is adjusted to achieve a watertight seal and confirm adequate rotator cuff repair quality. After ensuring anchor security, the driver is removed and the remaining hi-fi suture tails are cut cleanly with a cutter. We check the quality of rotator cuff repair once again after the entire procedure has been carried out with the shoulder joint in both the external and internal rotation.